So this is my first ever facecam video on this YouTube channel, and I hope you like this video. And if I found any positive feedback from all of you guys, then I will surely make these kind of videos in the future as well. So hi guys, my name is Yaspal, and in this video I am going to just share with you one of the website that I used in my early engineering days for just learning the programming languages. So on that website you will get all the programming books for free, and you can just download that particular programming book and you can just start learning the programming. Okay, so this website is completely free for all of you guys, so just follow with me on my laptop screen and I will walk you through how you can just use this website in your daily life. Okay,
so just go to the Google and search for the Goalkicker books search term on the Google and on any other web browser, and you will find this first website over here. Just click on this link and you will find this website, or you can just use my link given in the description below. So here on this website you will find 50 plus programming books available here. You can use any of the book for your just learning purpose. All these books are available for public over here. So to download any book, just click on any book over here. Just like if I want to download this algorithm notes over here, so just click on this algorithm books over here and you will just find a new page, and you will just get all the details about that particular book, like the chapters available here and the topics you will learn in this notes available here. And you can just click on this download PDF book and you will just download all the notes for this algorithm books. Okay, I have also used this website in my previous years while learning coding and programming. So if you want to learn anything into the programming, then this website is great fit for you, and you can just use these notes for learning purpose. If you want to just beginning with the coding, then you can just use this website.
So I hope you find this video very helpful for you, and if you have any comment and feedback about this video, then you can just ping me in the comment section below. And if you want me to make any video on your particular idea and on your topic, then you can just ping me in the comment section below and I will surely make video on that. So that's it for this video guys, and I will meet you in the next video very soon, and bye bye and see you.